Welcome to Personal Money Management Series 4, where we will talk on understanding the value of insurance. Remember to like, share and subscribe to get more of our educational material, and do stay glued to the end of this video lesson. Insurance is another essential expense that should take priority over variable categories of spending. Insurance is an arrangement by which a company or government agency provides a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness, or death in return for a payment of a premium. Insurance is like an emergency fund. It protects your financial resources. It provides financial resources in the event of an unplanned incident like a natural disaster or accident. Examples of the type of insurance most individuals would carry include automobile insurance that will replace or repair your car in the event it is damaged. Health insurance to cover medical expenses and hospitalization. Business insurance to cover downturns in sales or productivity. And life insurance to cover funeral expenses and provide for your family. These types of insurance typically involve paying a relatively small premium that protects you financially from greater risk or loss. Insurance helps to insulate you from the financial impact of life events that can cause dire economic consequences. Paying for the appropriate insurance for your specific circumstances is a small price to pay for protection against a catastrophic loss from which it might be difficult or impossible to recover. Again, seek competent professional advice from a trusted source for more information on insurance in your community. Ultimately, budgets are flexible documents to use as a guide to successfully manage your money and resources. Remember, a budget will only work if you make a commitment to stick to it. By doing so, this will allow you to manage your money wisely and invest in your future. Trust you enjoyed the ride. Do well to subscribe, like, comment and share this content. Equally support this project by reaching out via email, personaldev.motivation@gmail.com. Telephone and WhatsApp, +23768 139 2760.